Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, clickgatget. Here, you'll discover the latest and coolest gadgets, honest tech reviews, unboxings, and smart tips to make your digital life easier. The best turn signal light reviews. E24 motorcycle turn signals feature 12 bright amber LEDs with flowing light effects for clear visibility and modern style. Operating on 12V with M10 mounting bolts, these E-Mark approved indicators ensure safety and durability. Perfect for motorcycles, scooters, and bikes, enhancing both performance and appearance. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected for more great content.